chickens and chicken heads. My name is Candace, aka Diamond Candy, and I am so excited to have you here over at my channel. If you are a new viewer, please make sure you click the subscribe button so you do not miss an upload. And if you are a loyal subscriber already, thank you so much for tuning in again. You a real one. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I slick and slay my edges, what I use, how I do it, X, Y, and Z. So yeah, my hair is in a old wash and go. It's like sweated out. It's a hot mess, frizzy. So I'm gonna put it up into a bun first and show you guys how I slay my edges or whatever. So let me do that first and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I slicked my hair up with some Eco Styler gel first, so that is the first step. My favorite one for my edges is the olive oil one. So I slicked my hair up with that first and I let it dry a little bit because edge control usually works on hair better when it's drier. So now I'm gonna go in with the edge control and I'm using the She Is Bomb collection. I'm gonna have it down below. I'm gonna have everything down below, but this is fire, honey, fire. I actually found it on Pinterest. Like, I just was on Pinterest and I saw it and I impulse bought it, and it's actually fire. And a lot of people when I posted it on Instagram were like, yes sis, like, you're late. And I'm like, y'all couldn't tell me though, like, y'all couldn't like put me up on game, but it's cool. I'm on game now and I'm trying to share it with everybody. So yeah, I'm gonna take some of this. Okay, so right now it is looking real boring, so I'm just gonna take my toothbrush, which is real like nasty looking, I'm sorry, but take some of this and dip it into the edge control like so. And this is actually clear, it's not black, it's just the thing is black. The first thing that I do is just kind of put the edge control all across my edges and pull out my edges. And then I also take some and just slick this up more. So for the edges, I just try and keep mine as simple as possible. So I'm just using this toothbrush and my finger to brush it forward and then hold it and then swoop it that way. And I always have swoops right here on like the temple area. And then this little part, I don't really have that many baby hairs right here, so I just do a little swoop. And this is usually the look that I go for, like this. And then I just do basically the same thing on the other side, minus this swoop. Alright, so now that the edges are laid with the edge control, I just go in with my satin scarf and tie it up. Now I'm just going to let them bake underneath my satin scarf for about 20 minutes, usually while I'm getting ready, so however much time I have until it's time to go. And then they'll be ready, so I'll be back. Alright guys, that is it for this video. One more thing, I have merch if you don't know. So this is one of my sweatshirts that I have on my website, curlygirlmerch.com, so make sure you guys check that out. And make sure you also check out another video of mine before you head off of my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you guys. Bye.